All right, guys, right now we're about to install 2 new Schrader valves in these access ports. These Schrader valves look something like this. You commonly see them in bikes. And the reason why we replace them is because they tend to leak after a while. So remember, this unit has high pressure. It is a R22, it's low pressure considering it's R22, but the pressure inside an R22 and the back pressure could be anywhere between like 65, 60 PSI, and then on the high side pressure would be like let's say 200, 225. So we want to make sure we replace them. I like to replace every time we do a compressor change out. It looks something like this. You need a tool just like this. That's it. It's that easy. Alright, that's one. I'm gonna put the next one on the liquid side. And again, guys, when you do this, do it slowly, because what happens is when guys do this in a rush, it also has happened to me, you might strip it. And if you strip it, you're gonna have a big headache taking this thing out. So just take your time, make sure it's nice and tight and snug. Don't over tighten it, and you're good to go.